Hello everyone, let's have next problem. If set A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and B equal to 5, 10, 15, 20. Find A minus B, B minus A and asymmetric difference B. Set A and set B are given. We need to find A minus B, B minus A and symmetric difference of A and B. First one, A minus B. A minus B means A but not B. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Last element 16. Minus set B 5, 10, 15 and 20. Now what is A minus B? A minus B means write all those elements in A but not in B. Only in A write such elements. Only in A means shall I write 2? Yes. Why? Because which is not there in second set. Shall I write 4? Yes. 6? Yes. Because which is not there. Write all those elements in A but not in B. Write such elements. 6, 8, 10 which is there in the second set. Don't write 10. Write all those elements in first set but not there in second set. 8, 10, then 12. 12 which is not there in second set means we can write. Then 14 can we write? Yes. Why? Because 14 which is not there in second set. Then 15 is not there in first set. 8, 10, 12, 16. 15 is not there in first set. 16, yes. This is our A minus B. After that, B minus A. What is B minus A? 5, 10, 15, 20 minus A. What is A? Set A 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Shall I write 5? B minus A. We are interested in finding B minus A. B but not A. 5 which is not there in second set. So we can write 5. 10. Can we write 10? No. Why? Because which is there in second set. 10 get cancelled. 15? Yes. Because 15 is not there in second set. Next 20? Yes. This is B minus A. After that, asymmetric difference B. Asymmetric difference B. That's equal to asymmetric difference B means A minus B union B minus A. This is our A minus B. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16. Union B minus A 5, 15, 20. Now take union of these two sets. 2, 4. After 5, after 4, 5 is there. 5, 6, 7 is not there. 8, 12, 14. After 14, 15 is there. 15, 16, 20. This is our asymmetric difference B. Next one, next problem. If A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, then B equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Find B minus A. Find B minus A. Find A minus B and B minus A. Set A minus set B, that's equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 minus B 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Now A minus B, write all those elements in A but not in B, only in A. 2 present only in A, 4 present in both the sets, 4 get cancelled. 6 present in A only. 8 which is present in both the sets means get cancelled. 10 which is there in only first set, 10. 12 which is there in both the sets get cancelled. 14 which is there in first set only, so write 14. 16 is there in both the sets. This is our A minus B. Write all those. A minus B means write all those elements in A only. A only means A but not B. After that write B minus A. B minus A. B minus A means only in B. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus set A 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Write B minus A means write the elements in B only. 4 which is there in second set, so don't write 4. 8 which is there in second set, don't write. 12 which is there in second set, so don't write. 16 which is there in second set. 20 which is not there in second set, so B minus A is singleton set 20. A minus B and B minus A. A minus B means write only in A. B minus A means only in B. Next problem. if U is equal to, U means universal set, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, last element is 10, is the universal set, is the universal set for the sets, set A equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then find A complement, second one B complement, third one A minus B whole complement, fourth one B minus A whole complement, fifth one A union B whole complement, sixth one A intersection B whole complement, seventh one A intersection B complement, eighth one A complement intersection B, next A complement union B complement, A complement minus B complement, then A minus A intersection, sorry, B complement minus A. Find all these. Clearly, set A, set B and universal set U they have given. We need to find A complement, B complement, A minus B whole complement, B minus A whole complement, A union B whole complement, A intersection B whole complement, A intersection B complement, A complement intersection B, A complement union B complement, A complement minus B complement, B complement minus A. Now that first one A complement is equal to, what is formula for A complement? A complement equal to formula, A complement is equal to U minus A. By definition of complement, it will be U minus A. Already they have given U. U is set of all natural numbers less than or equal to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Minus A, set A 2, 3, 4, 5, that's equal to, it is like difference of two sets. 1, shall I write 1? Yes. Why? Because which is not there in second set. Write all those elements in first set only, that is nothing but difference. 2 which is there in both the sets, so get cancelled. 3 which is there in both the sets, so get cancelled. 4 which is there in both the sets, get cancelled. 5 which is there in both the sets, so get cancelled. 6 is not there in second set. 7 not there. 8, 9 and 10. This is our A complement. Second one B complement. B complement is equal to formula U minus B only. What is our universal set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus B. Set B they have given. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, difference of these two sets is nothing but a complement. 1 which is there in both the sets, so get cancelled. 2 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled, 4 get cancelled, 5 get cancelled, 6 get cancelled. 7 onwards we should write 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is our B complement. B complement is also, it is a difference of universal set and B. Next, third one, A minus B whole complement. For finding A minus B whole complement, we need A minus B. For finding A minus B whole complement, we need A minus B. A minus B, because we need A minus B whole complement means first write A minus B. That's equal to, what is A minus B? A minus B. 2 is there in both the sets. 2 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled, 4 get cancelled, 5 get cancelled. Means A minus B is null set, or else you can write now A minus B is equal to null set. Then A minus B taking complement on both the sides. That's equal to, what is null set, complement of null set? It is equal to U only. A minus B whole complement gives universal set. Next, fourth one, B minus A. First write B minus A. First write B minus A. What is B minus A? Set B minus set A. Directly I will write B minus A. Write all those elements in B but not in A. 1 which is not there in A, so I will write 1. 2 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. 3 get cancelled. 4 get cancelled. 5 get cancelled. 6 which is not there in A, so I will write 6. After that we need B complement. B minus A whole complement is equal to, by definition of complement, B minus A whole complement is equal to U minus of B minus A. Just replace U. U is universal set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus. Already we have B minus A. Replace this value. B minus A is 1, 6. Now difference of these two sets. 1 is present in both the sets, so get cancelled. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is present in both the sets. 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is our B minus A whole complement. After that, fifth one, A union B whole complement. First write A union B. First write A union B equal to. After that take its complement. What is set A? Set A is 2, 3, 4 and 5. Union. Set B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Already you know union of two sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is union of A union B, union of A and B. This is A union B. But we need A union B whole complement. That's equal to U minus A union B. that's equal to u minus a union b, u minus this u is 1 to 10, u minus a union b, that's equal to 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is our a union b whole complement. A union b whole complement means u minus a union b. Already we have a union b. A union b is 1 to 6. 1 to 10 minus 1 to 6 means 7 to 10. And similarly, a intersection b whole complement. We need to find a intersection b whole complement. For that, find a intersection b. A intersection b, what is a? 2, 3, 4, 5. Intersection 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, intersection means common elements in both the sets. Common elements. Take intersection of these two sets. 2 is common, 3 common, 4 common and 5 common. This is our A intersection B. Take intersection of these two sets. Common elements 2, 3, 4, 5. These elements are common. After that, A intersection B whole complement, that's equal to u minus A intersection B, that's equal to u minus A intersection B means 1, u minus A intersection B, u minus this 1, 2 is present in both the sets, 2 2 get cancelled, 3 3 get cancelled, 4 4 get cancelled, 5 5 get cancelled, then 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is our A intersection B whole complement. After that A intersection B complement, 7th one, A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement, that's equal to, replace set A, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, intersection. Directly I will write B complement. What is B complement? B complement means u minus b. U minus b means, what is u minus b? Means B complement value. B complement is 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is our B complement. B complement means u minus b. U minus b. Now, intersection. Take intersection of these two sets. Here we have 2, 3, 4. 2 which is not there in second set. What are the common elements between these two sets? There is no common element. Means clearly it is null set. 3 which is not there in second set, 4 which is not there, 5 which is not there. Means A intersection B complement gives null set. After that, A complement intersection B. A complement intersection B, that's equal to, write A complement. A complement means u minus A, means 1, 2 2 get cancelled, 3 3 get cancelled, 4 4 get cancelled, 5 5 get cancelled, 6 onward, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Intersection B, already they have given set B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now take these two intersection. 1 is one of the common element and 6 is another common element. This is our A complement intersection B. After that, A complement union B complement. A complement union B complement, that's equal to A complement, right? A complement, that is 1 6 7 8 9 10. This is A complement union B complement. This is our B complement, or else directly write B complement, that is 7 8 9 10, that's equal to union means 1, next 6, 7 is common, 8 is common, 9 is common, and 10. 1 6, after that 7, 1 6 7 8 9 and 10. This is our A complement union B complement. Next 10th one, A complement minus B complement. A complement minus B complement, that's equal to, right? A complement means U minus A, that is 1, 2 2 get cancel, 3 3 get cancel, 4 4 get cancel, and 5 5 get cancel, 6 7 8 9 and 10. Minus B complement. B complement means U minus B. U minus B means 7 8 9 and 10. This is our B complement, it is A complement. Now A complement minus B complement. A minus B 1, only in this set, write all those elements in first set but not in second set. 6, which is not there in second set. 7 is there in both the sets, 8 9 and 10 are present in both the sets, so don't write it. This is our A complement minus B complement. Next B complement minus A. B complement minus A. B complement minus A, that's equal to, what is our B complement? B complement is 7 8 9 10 minus set A 2 3 4 5, that's equal to 7, which is not there in second set, 8 which is not there, that's equal to 7 8 9 and 10. This is our B complement minus A. Difference of sets, union, intersection and complement. Next problem. Next problem, let U is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and A equal to 1 2 3 4 comma B equal to 2 4 6 8 2 4 6 8 and C equal to, and C means set C 3 4 5 6. Full point, find first one A complement, second one B complement, third one A union C whole complement. Fourth one, A union B whole complement. And fifth one, A complement of complement. Sixth one, B minus C whole complement. Just look at one by one. First one, we need to find A complement. What is formula for A complement? A complement is nothing but U minus A. That's equal to U is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Last element is 9 minus set A 1, 2, 3, 4. U minus A means right only in first set, not in second set. So 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is our A complement. Next, second one, B complement. By definition, what is B complement? It will be U minus B. That's equal to U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Last element is 9 minus set B. Set B is 2, 4, 6, 8. That's equal to 1 which is not there in second set. So 1, 2 get cancelled. 3 which is not there in second set. 3. 4 which is there in second set. 5 which is not there. 6 get cancelled. 7 which is not there. 8 get cancelled. 9. This is our B complement. This is B complement. After that, A union C whole complement. Third one A union C whole complement. First write A union C, that's equal to A, set A 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry 1, 2, 3, 4. Union, take set C. C is 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, union 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our A union C. We need A union C whole complement. That's equal to, by definition, U minus A union C. That's equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on 9 minus, already we have A union C. A union C value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 6 deleted because 1 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled, 4 get cancelled, 5 get cancelled, 6 get cancelled, 7, 8, 9. This is our A union C whole complement. After that, A union B whole complement. After that, A complement of complement. Do these two as homework. I will do direct fifth one. Fourth and fifth. Take A union B, then take its complement. Here take B minus C, then take its complement. I will do fifth one. A complement of complement. First write A complement. A complement is equal to U minus A. That's equal to U 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Last element is 9 minus A. Set A is 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's equal to 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is our A complement. We need to take A complement of complement, that's equal to U minus A complement. Treat this as B. Means A complement of complement means A complement of complement equal to U minus A complement. That's equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is A complement of complement. Take difference of U and A complement. These terms here cancel, remains with this side. And do these two as homework. Thank you.